Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox the Anypro Car Jump Starter with smart clips and take a close-up look. So let's first take a look around the outside of the package. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the package or Ziploc bag. And so this is a nice carry case here with a carry handle. So let's go ahead and unzip it. And open it up. And at the very top, we have a feedback card here. So let's put that aside. And there is a user manual. So it's a leaflet style user manual. And it's printed only on one side. And of course we have the car jump starter with the smart clips. And at the very top there are some connectors. And USB cable. And a double-ended connector as well. So let's take a close-up look. The USB cable. With a micro USB connector. And of course we have a variety of connectors here. So normally how this would work is you'd plug it in with the double-ended cable here. And the other side of course goes into the car jump starter or battery pack. Okay, so let's put that aside. And let's go ahead and take this out. So this is a power adapter for charging up the car jump starter or battery pack. And of course we have one for the car cigarette lighter, so you can actually charge the car jump starter or battery pack in your car for use in the future. And of course we have the smart clips here. So you would connect this end of the smart clips to the car jump starter. And it's nice to see that there's only one way of connecting the smart clip to the car jump starter. And of course there is a power M node or M mode button. Sorry, let me say that again. It's power or M mode button there. So the M mode is a special feature that lets you start your car without even having to use a battery in it. Okay, and then let's take a close-up look at the clips as well, or the clamps. So that's the maximum expansion of the clamps. Okay, let's put the smart clips down. And let's go ahead and lift off the car jump starter. So this is the Anypro Car Jump Starter. And as you can see, there are USB output ports on the left hand side and a DC socket there for connecting your peripherals. As we've seen with the double-ended cable, you would plug it in there, and with the other side you just attach any socket attachment which you require from this rack here to power or charge your device, such as laptops or pumps or any kind of device really that can use a DC power socket or plug. And with the input, that's basically for charging the car jump starter. As we've seen with the two different formats, you can either charge it using the wall plug or the car cigarette lighter plug. That simply goes into the input 12-volt socket there. And let's go ahead and lift this flap open, see what's under there. So that's the connector or socket for the smart clips. So like I said, it's nice to know that it can only go in one way, so there's no issue with connecting the smart clip into the car jump starter, just like that. So you can see it's quite a compact unit with everything neatly packable into this small carry case there. And there's a bit of information about the car jump starter in terms of specifications and of course some warnings as well. And you can see it comes with a built-in light as well. So let's go ahead and press on the power button right there, and you can see there is a charge indicator on the left with the 4 LEDs all fully lit. And I'm just tapping the power button to see what else that might do. Okay, that's fine. And by pressing and holding, the flashlight comes on. So it's always nice to know that you have, if you keep this in your car, you always have a flashlight handy for emergencies as well as starting your car, of course. And let's see if I can get it into the other modes, because apparently there is a strobe and SOS light mode as well. So very simply, pressing and holding will bring the light on as a flashlight, and then a gentle tap will put it into the strobe mode, and then tapping again will make it go into the SOS light mode. And then finally tapping one more time turns it off, just like that. And then let's have a look around the smart clips here. There is a power and M mode button, as I previously mentioned. So pressing and holding power will light up the blue indicator there, but always make sure that your power leads are already connected to the car's battery, and then that should give it some juice to start your car. And then with the M mode button, pressing and holding the M mode will switch the battery pack or car jump starter into the M mode and in that case you can start your car with a very high charge or boost without requiring a battery being in place. So pretty good if you are into race cars even, or if you don't have a battery in your car, so you can always just start it just like that with the M mode feature. Very fancy indeed. So that's the Anypro Car Jump Starter with smart clips. Thanks for watching and happy starting!